Hey guys, this is Emmanuel Monk with Ready for the Lifestyle, and in this video we're going to talk about what else? Another approval. Let's open up the package. So before we start this video, guys, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest updates on things like this, the approvals, and also some other tips and tricks. We'll also put links below to some of these applications. Definitely, let's get into this video. Open the mail. This right here, I actually don't know what it is, so I'm gonna open it up right now on camera. Makes it very real, right? You know what I'm saying? So let's see
what we got here. Oh man, I might have to.
Oh! It's a Discover card. So I did apply for a Discover business card. Let's see what they have in here. Obviously, I'm going to be blocking out this personal information, but I do want you guys to see the card. Bam. I'll just do that paper over there. Oh, so okay. Yeah, so let's open this up real quick, see what we got going on. But before I tell you exactly how much I got approved for, I always give you a disclosure. Please read the agreement that they send in there. It's very important to know exactly what type of terms you're accepting before you start using the card. But anyway, how much did I get approved for? So I got approved for, let's see, 7 bands, woo, bands, yeah, bands. All right. So I got approved for $7,000. So this is a business card that I applied for. And one of the reasons why I applied for this is because of the 0% interest that they have for 2 years. This offer, it's up to 2020. Yeah. So 0%, that's pretty much enough reasons for me or anyone, right? Pretty sure you would apply. So another reason why I have this is, actually there's a couple of reasons. Other than the 0%, the cashback rewards that they have is 1.5%. I already said 1.5, but to top that off, the second reason is that they actually match your cash back. I'm talking about automatically. Whatever you have, whatever you get in cash back, they're gonna double it at the end of the year. Double it. Double it. So what does that mean for you? Think about it. Your expenses, you're saving money. Obviously. So another benefit of this card is that they'll alert you if anytime your social appears anywhere being used. Plus, if you need to have your score monitoring system, they actually provide you a FICO score within their dashboard. So when doing business, obviously you want to break down your expenses into quarters, and it actually gives you a quarterly breakdown so you can do your taxes properly. And guess what? Because you're a business owner, you actually get free employee cards. I don't really give those out. So the last and final reason is that it makes it so much easier to track your expenses because it connects to Quickens and QuickBooks. And I don't know if you're a business owner, but it's a heck of a time when you're trying to add up all your expenses throughout the year. I'd rather have a detailed sheet which breaks it down into categories on what your expenses was for the whole year. All I have on the Discover business card, but in the description, I'll put a link to the video of the application that I filled out because I filmed it all just for you. But don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, obviously, and don't forget to comment. Let me know what you're thinking. If you need help with some approvals and trying to get your applications through, maybe I might be able to answer your questions. But until next time.